That's better. There we go.
Like most cats, Peaches doesn't love the water. But what he does love is the problem. Peaches loves eating and sitting. He became overweight, contracted diabetes, and refuses to go for walks. He needs to do something. His vet says he has to lose 2 kilograms. The pool was the answer because here it's hard to be lazy.
He's pretty mellow when he's on his platform in the water. It's really only when he's being asked to exert himself that he kind of meows.
As bizarre as it may be for a cat to be put in water, it makes sense for Peaches. His owner happens to be friends with a pet hydrotherapist.
So they kind of pick him up, take him to one end, and he swims to his platform. And so they try and do that a couple times without break, like I said, to get his cardio up.
The pool is heated and it's exercise easy on the joints. Peaches wasn't a huge fan of swimming at first, still isn't, but has warmed up to it.
Now he doesn't meow as much, like he would protest quite a bit in the early days. Now every once in a while you'll get a big deep meow from him, but not as much.
It wasn't that bad.
Toby's.
Peaches is making a splash online as well. His owner started documenting the cat's weight loss journey on TikTok. Under the name Peaches the Permaid, the account has 35,000 followers, with several videos garnering millions of views.
People telling him way to go, and they're so proud of him. Someone's commented today that Peaches doesn't know it, but I would die for him.
The inspiring story of a cat getting healthier one doggy paddle at a time. Mason DePatie, Global News.